everyone, this is Cheryl once again from Saladmaster here in Perth, and for our today's episode, I want to share with you a pork crackle recipe cooked by our very own 5C marketing consultant, B.
Hello, how are you?
Okay, B, what are we doing tonight? Can you please explain to them more how to do it? I mean, the doing, we will show the video, but just a little bit of background. How did you
come across with this? Okay, so I work in sales, hotel sales industry. I just keep asking myself, what would I enjoy outside work? So I like eating chili, actually. So my partner and I, we actually came up with a crushed chili recipe. So we have two types. One is the devil chili, which is super spicy, and the other one is a pork crackling crushed chili. So it's one of my own favorite. And obviously, this product from Thailand is full of MSG and a lot of sodium as well. So my partner and I just thought, what can we do, to make this more healthy and more suitable to our lifestyle? We love the recipe. We share it with our friends and family as well, and everyone gave us such a positive feedback as well. We ended up, giving them the pork crackle because it's suitable for any age and eat whenever they like as a snack. And in the end, there are more people asking to buy the pork crackle, and we realized that actually that is a market for this, and there's a demand for the product, and that's why we sort of like shifting the focus from the chili into the pork crackle. At the moment, yes, the crushed chili is also available as well as the pork crackle as well. And we have two types of pork crackle. So one that's cooked in the vegetable oil, and the other one is actually keto version, which is suitable for the people who are actually on the keto diet. So today I actually brought two flavors along for everyone to try it out.
There's the two of us, and you can only hear the sound.
Yeah, there you go. And if you want to taste, then obviously my contact details will be available as well. So feel free to reach out to me direct. Look, it's good experiment if you want to try it at home. I don't mind sharing it, but definitely you would also realize that it's a lot of hard work and a lot of effort, putting into it.
I think you really have to want it and love doing it. To be able to have the patience to keep stirring and actually do it. What have you found that's the difference, using ordinary cookware, cooking pork crackle as opposed to using the Saladmaster?
So definitely it does give you a different result, the heat consistency and also the time, because that saved me a lot of time as well, having to reshape my own cooking and then having to re-cook again because it doesn't get cooked properly. So that saved pretty much half of my time, really.
Yeah.
So thanks to Saladmaster.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome to Saladmaster channel. My name is Bea, and I'll be cooking you today pork crackle. Before we start, I would like to mention to you first that this menu is quite time consuming. That's why most people prefer to buy the pork crackle from the shop, to save time and also convenient. However, if you do have leftover pork skin at home, we definitely can make a yummy snack out of it. The first ingredient is pork skin. You can choose just the skin itself or with the fat on it. If you like the creaminess of the fat, cut the skin into small pieces. Today we will be using Saladmaster 5-quart wok. The choice of your cookware depends on the volume of the pork skin you have. Now the oil is getting hot. You can feel the heat is rising. Then you can gently put the pork skin into the oil. In terms of oil, you're welcome to use any kind of oil that you prefer. Just keep in mind that different oil has different body. Therefore, will give you a different result of the end product. Another reason many people prefer not to cook pork crackle at home is because of the oil spilling. It is definitely not a nice experience. To avoid that, you need to stir the pot at all times. So remember, keep stirring, and keep stirring. It is the arm workout at the end. Now you can see the color has changed significantly. It has become darker and the skin has shrunk. You also can feel that the skin has become stickier as well. So don't stop stirring. We are about an hour and a half in, and you can see that the skin is drying. And then now we are going to bring it up and drain it. We now heat up our oil so that we can fry our dry skin. So it should look like this when the oil is hot enough. It should puff up straight away. And once they're all cooked, we just have to drain the oil and let it dry. So you can season it with salt, and if you like chili, you also can add on the chili as well. So whatever flavor that you like. So after 2 hours of cooking, here's our pork crackle. Alright, let's try.